Hello viewers, hope you are all well. Thanks for coming my YouTube channel. It's me Makuti from Bangladesh. You are watching my YouTube channel. Today I'll share with you about an important statistics of my YouTube channel, how much YouTube paid me for one view. Before checking any YouTube channel in this world, YouTube channel statistics, you should need to know that you are staying on the YouTube tutorial like this. From YouTube channel, from settings to general to USD. Remember that there have large number of dollars like Tunisian, like Australian dollar, New Taiwan dollar, Singapore dollar, or New Zealand dollar, and many other dollars are available. So before checking the statistics, I should need to remember that my statistics are available with USD dollar. After getting USD dollar, let's see 18 views and 0.41 cents after plus 1 and 0.61. More for over confirmation, I'm checking from custom section. March 5, March 5, March 5, March 5. Apply and it's 0.61. Now let's check how much I got paid for every one view. YouTube always cut 45% from YouTuber's earning and YouTube pays YouTuber 55%. Then 0.61 into 45 divided 55, 0.49 plus 0.61 equal to 1.109. 1.109, $1.10 into, I'm counting it 100 cents, 110 cents. 110 cents divided 18 views. It proves 6.16 cents for every one view I'm getting from this YouTube channel. So if you're new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you cannot miss any videos from my YouTube channel in the future time. I have only upload videos about YouTube tips, tricks, SEO tips, techniques, and some